576 sebab kita pindahkan yang ni datang sini kan. Jadi dekat belakang dah. Equal to 0. Afterward, kita move on lagi. 5y square minus 16y plus 12. Sebab kita simplekan dia. Jadi kita akan dapat dalam bracket y minus 2 5y minus 6 is equal to 0. So kita akan dapat y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1.2. Untuk x pula, kita akan dapat 16 minus 6 in bracket 2. And one more untuk x adalah 16 times 1.2. So x1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to 8.8. That's it.
Okay, I want to ask you, where did you get y equals to 1.2 here? And then you get the, in bracket, 5y minus 6. How you get that?
Okay, for the 1.2, sebab
boleh contoh ni kalau boleh.
Okay, 1.2 ni, 1.2 ni, dia sebab triangle kan. So nak cari triangle, kita kena 1/2 times height times length. That's how we search for areas of...
No. That's not my question. My question is here. 1.2 yang kat sini. Okay, macam mana awak gantikan dapat macam ni? Ni Ni nampak tak? Pointer saya ni.
Okay, yang ni.
Okay. Ni. Lepas tu awak jadikan ni. Dalam factorization ni. Macam mana tu? Macam nak awak buat?
Oh, yang tu. Dalam factorization tu, kita dapat 5 minus 6.
Okay, macam mana awak dapat factorization tu? How did you get that factorization 5y minus 6? Ni, macam nak dapat?
Semalam saya pun ada orang ajar, lepas tu lupa sekejap. 5y minus 6.
Doesn't matter kalau ada orang ajar, tak apa. Jangan asalkan you faham lah. Okay, anybody can help Mus?
1.2 is 6/5.
1.2 is, bila you tukar kepada pecahan guna kalkulator, 6/5. And then you change into
decimal
factor. Factorization punya tu lah. So yeah, 5y minus 6. That. Okay, ada ni tak? Ada soalan tak? Okay, soalan dia tanya x dan y. So basically you kena carilah x dan y dia apa. So here, when y equals to 2, x equals to 4. When y equals to 1.2, x equals to 8.8. Okay, setakat ni saya tengok clear. Ada tak soalan? Guys, kawan-kawan boleh komen ataupun boleh tanya mana-mana tak faham.
Tak ada.
Serius awak semua faham? Hebat betul ni. Langsung tak ada tak faham. Okay. Kita kepada Mus, saya rasa setakat ni jelas. Saya tak nampak lah macam you tiru ke. Yelah, I tak kisah pun kalau you tiru, you rujuk belakang. As long as you faham apa yang you buat. Mana markah ni? Okay. Next presenter. Saya nak cari you punya ni. You punya Google Classroom. Saya nak bagi markah terus Oh, I tak assign lagi. Okay, go next. Siapa? Siapa yang dah ada jemput ni?
Saya.
Siapa tu, Puah ke?
Puah.
Okay, Puah which frame? What number? Second?
Number 11.
Number 11. No, I mean frame.
Frame number 2. My name Nilam.
Tulis balik nama.
Okay. So, good morning everyone. I will explain number 11. So, read the question first. A piece of wire with 40 cm is bent into shape as shown in the diagram below. PQRS is a rectangle and PTS is a semicircle. If area of PQRST is 105 cm square, calculate the radius of the semicircle PTS. So need to calculate the radius, which is this half of the circle. So first I just need to find two equations first lah, because they give the area and the perimeter. So I find the area first. 2x
Okay, very good.
2x times y is the area of the rectangle, and the half circle area is pi r squared times half, because it's half circle. Then equals 105.
Okay, I want you to write out the formula for luas semicircle ataupun luas bulatan ke. You tulis
Need to
sikit
write.
dekat sebelah gambar.
Okay.
Can you write?
Wait.
So that everybody can see that and remember the formula. Semua orang kena ingat formula benda-benda zaman form 1, form 2, form 3 dulu belajar. So pi r square r area of circle. 2 pi r is the lilitan tu. Apa you panggil lah? Perimeter lah, boleh kan kita sebut perimeter circle. So if it's semi, divide by 2 je. Perimeter for semi only pi r. Perimeter for area semicircle is pi r square over 2. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Next, I just make the pi into 22 over 7, like that, and I just write it out. 22 over 7 times x squared times 1 over 2. I cut the 22 and 2 jadi 1, 11 and 1. So here become 11 x squared over 7. So I just times 7 with 2 and 105 become 14xy and 735. Then after find the first equation, which is the area, I find the perimeter. So 2x and 2y from the side and the semicircle, 2 pi r times 1 over 2 is 40. Then I just do the 2 pi r 44 over 7 times 1 over 2. Cut the 44 and 2 become 22 and 1. Then become 2x plus 2y plus 22x over 7 equals 40. I times 2x and 2y with 7 and 40 with 7 become 14x plus 14y plus 22x equals 280. And then the 14x I plus with 22x become 36x plus 14y equals 280. And then I bring the x over 280 minus 36x, and the 14y I can divide 14 with that. And then I simplify the fraction, become 140 minus 18x over 7. After I found these two equations, I substitute the y into the first equation. So 14x, the y become 140 minus 18x divide 7 plus 11x squared equals 735. This one 14x times this one become 280x minus 36x squared, then plus 11x squared. Then the negative 36x squared plus 11 squared become negative 25x squared. And then I bring the 735 over, so can become the general form for the equation, this equation. Then the ABC one I put into this equation. That become this 280 plus minus square root for 4,900 over 50. Then after I put in calculator, the 280 plus this one become positive 7, and the negative one become positive 4.2. So after found the x, as can see here, the radius of the circle is x. So x is 7 and 4.2 cm. Done.
Okay. Okay, okay, now I just nak bagi komen, bukan komen apa, ni je sebab dia guna formula, so doesn't matter if the general form in not simplified. It's okay. But if you all guna factorization, you need to simplify your general form. Okay? Itu sahaja. Hello? Tu tak
Okay.
jelas? Okay, semua orang pun semua pelajar. Just nak ingatkan saja lah ya, jika if you guna kat sini bukan guna formula, you guna factorization, you kena simplifikan general form ini. Or else kalau guna formula it doesn't matter. Okay, ada soalan tak? Setakat ni ia berkaitan dengan perimeter dan juga luas. So, senang je. Ya. Ada soalan?
I have one. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So where do you get the 2xy?
2xy is area of the rectangle, right? The length is 2x, the width is y, so times both of those.
Okay, sekejap
Okay, pelajar yang lain boleh take your time untuk study sikit apa benda yang berlaku ni. You nak tulis ke, you nak buat sendiri juga ke. So, yeah, please use this time lah untuk fill it out. Jangan tangguh-tangguh kerja. Boleh terus buat, nanti boleh terus hantar. Okay, yang ini you tak perlu ambil cari y lagi. You just stop there. Sampai dapat x boleh stop. Sebab apa? Sebab dia tanya jejari saja. They ask you the radius only. Okay? Okay. Dah ke?
Yeah.
Semua pelajar boleh dapat? Nur Harish, Anik, Syami, Rishi. Ni saya sebut seorang-seorang ni. Harun, Harin, Syed. Okay semua?
Okay.
Ahmad Syami ada dua ni Ahmad Syami ni.
One for
Syed. Dia one for?
one for Mike.
One for Mike. Wow. Okay. Roy, okay tak? Tan, Wang Dihau, Naufal, are you listening? Rashman okay ni. Iqmal, Ilham, Haris, Ryan. Senyap je ni. Tak ada depan komputer ke? Ada. Nanti saya suruh hantar kerja, tiba-tiba tak hantar. Okay. Okay, next presenter. Thank you Puah. Puah will get 5. Siapa tadi? Most pun 5 kan? Dia dah cakap kan? Okay, next presenter is Ahmad Syami.
Yeah.
Boleh?
Boleh.
Okay, you can start now.
So dia cakap Pak Ali want to a fence, right? And the perimeter of the fence is 128. So ni bentuk dia. Formula untuk perimeter square, all sisi tambah together. Satu sisi 2x, ada 4 sisi kan? So you times 4 lah. Okay, then this one is triangle. Dia dah bagi 2 side. The other side you tak tahu. So the formula to find this is a square plus b square equals c square. The hypotenuse. So you press on calculator like this, you will get 20. And then don't forget to plus 12y and 16y. So both of these perimeter, you tambah all together, is already stated you will get 128. So 4 times 2x, 8x.
Kat bawah ni tak tunjuk pun.
Tunjuk.
Ambil pointer kat bawah ni.
Dah.
Ada laser tu. Oh dah ke? Tak nampak pun. You kena tekan. Kena pakai mouse
No,
Kalau pakai mouse.
laser thing.
Macam, okay. Yang tu. Tadi tak nampak. Okay.
Okay, and then
Hmm.
for 4 times 2 dapat 8x. 8x is cc square. And then 20y, 12y, 16y is for the triangle.
Same
So
question.
you get 48y. That's one for triangle. So equal 128. This form you can kecilkan, bahagi 8. You get x plus 6y equals 16. So you want to create another new equation. I take x since it's single here. So
Very good.
16, and then 6y move to the other side, negative 6y. Okay, now you already find the perimeter. Now you want to find the area. The question already give the area of square and the triangle equal 448. So square, both side kena darab. So 2x times 2x. So jadi 4x square lah, this one. So for triangle, the formula is half and then times the both CC except for the hypotenuse.
Okay. Then what happened?
Okay, so you already know the formula kan for the square and then for the triangle. So equal 448 lah. The question already bagi tahu. So this one you times dapat 4x square. And then this one you can kecilkan. So this kan 6y times 16y. You get 96y square.
Okay, lagi?
So equal 448. So this one will be equation 2. Now you already have x. So you sub x into 2. Equation 2.
Easy dah kan?
So ni kan 4x right? 4x square. You masukkan x dalam ni. Don't forget the square. And then plus 16y. 96y. Sorry. Then equal 448. So next step is you will get this inside the bracket. How you get this? Wait.
Very good lah Syami. Saya tunjuk macam mana nak buat bracket punya expansion.
Okay. Yang ni you darab together. So 16 times 16. Wait. Macam ni. 16 times 16 times negative 6y, negative y times 16, negative 6y times negative 6y, you will get inside here. 256 minus 192y plus 36y square. And then 96y square remain. And then 4 times 256, you get this. 1024. 4 times 192, you got this one. And then 4 times 36, you get 144. So this both is square. So you plus together. get
Tok.
240. Then the 768y remain. 1024 move to the other side equal 448 minus 1024. You will get 576. And then move 576 to the other side. You will get positive. So make it into general form. So since this one still can kecilkan, you will get 5y minus 16y
Very good.
12.
Yes.
This one you divide by 48, but you can divide by 12 first lah, because 48 is very big. So before I get this one, y minus 2, 5y minus 6 equals 0. I press calculator first, the EQN thing. You will get y1 equals 2, and then y2 you will get 6/5. So this one is positive. This one is you get positive 2, right? You move here, become negative 2. So this one is a fraction. 5 you move into this one, so become 5y. Then 6 you move here. For this one not positive kan, you move here become negative. Since this one had y squared, you put y, the 2y first, and then you press calculator, you get this thing, then you can masukkan. So
Jadi cikgu lah macam ni.
after you get y,
Okay.
then you take equation 1, you put y inside y lah. 16 minus 12, it become 4. And then the other x, 16 minus 6 times 6/5 equal 44/5. So you get x lah. That's it.
Okay. So, okay, very nice. Macam yang tadi yang saya cakap, I said just now when you use factorization, macam Ahmad Syami dia guna factorization kat sini kan. Can you see? Semua orang nampak tak? Oh, saya tak pakai laser. Sorry.
Nampak cikgu.
Hello. Nampak tak ni? Semua orang nampak tak factorization here?
Yes.
Okay, itu tu Syami. Orang lain?
Tak cikgu.
Salah orang. Oh, okay. Anas. Okay. So, okay. Bila you guna factorization ni, you need to simplify very simple form punya dalam general form. Okay. So, here macam Syami buat ni, 5y minus 16y. Apa tu? R ke? Oh, plus 12 equals to 0. Tak boleh nak kecilkan lagi kan? So, that's okay lah. Then, boleh continue dengan the answer of y, and then you sub into the equation of x, and then you get the pasangan x and y. Alright. So here apa yang penting dalam application of system of equation, when you baca the case here, kita panggil case lah. Case. When you read the case, you can come out their equation. Baca betul-betul dia nak apa. If perimeter, you keluarkan perimeter. If luas, area. If area, you kena come up the formula. Formula macam segitiga ada formula dia. Segi empat, tahulah ni senang kan. Bulatan, kalau bulatan circle, you kena ingat formula circle. Macam itulah. If cylinder, you kena ingat formula cylinder. Alright. So once you get the equation like this, ni yang subject dia lah. And then the second equation like this, you can continue with the simultaneous technique. Alright. Thank you Ahmad Syami. We'll give you 5.
Yes.
Ahmad Syami. Okay, your mark Ahmad Syami, Mus and Wah. Okay, 3 orang ni saya siapa lagi seorang?
Only 3 people
Okay,
present.
only 3. Okay. 3 orang ni saya masih dalam draft lagi belum apa nama orang kata? Belum blast lagi betul-betul lah sebab I need your working. I need to see your working for all the question 11, 12, 13, 14 hantar dekat GC baru I release your mark. Betul? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next presenter. Freshman. Hello, freshman.
Ada cikgu.
Ada Okay, saya besarkan sikit tapi ni dah cukup besar dah ni. Okay, if you need to canting, you can use the white area yang belah kanan tu. Tutup lah
Jadi,
tu.
cikgu saya present lah.
Tapi tak dengar sangat suara. Hello, Rashman.
Cikgu dengar suara saya?
Dengar lah tapi dia macam jauh.
Oh,
Cuba dekatkan sikit. You guna apa? Phone ke, komputer ke, laptop ke?
komputer cikgu.
Komputer. Tak boleh nak cakap apa lah. Okay, tak apalah. You boleh louder. Okay. Start.
Okay, so I choose question number 13. So, Encik Musa rears red tilapia in a piece of land which has a perimeter of 58 meter. He also plants maize in an area of 680 m square. Calculate the value of x and y. So they have given two information, which is the perimeter of the red tilapia is 58 meter. So the rectangle of the red tilapia is 58 meter. So when we divide by 2, we will get 29. So the
Rashman,
perimeter
you
of
can
the
take the laser, Rashman.
outer line.
Take the laser there and then you show where is your explanation. Which part? Ada laser kat tepi tu, nampak tak? Hello?
Cikgu saya guna laser cikgu.
You kena klik. You kena klik sambil lalu-lalu. Kalau tak klik nanti semua orang tak nampak.
Oh, okay. Nampak? Oh, okay.
Tak nampak juga.
So,
yes.
Okay. So the perimeter of the red tilapia is 58 meter. So when we divide by 2, we will get the perimeter of the outer line of the red tilapia. So when this is 58 meter, when we divide by 2, this perimeter will be 29 meter. So and then the another information they gave was that he also plants maize in an area of 680 meter. So the area of the maize is 680 meter. So we have to create two equations here. So the equation that I create is 40 minus y times x minus 15, where I'll get the area of the red tilapia. So the area of the red tilapia is 40x minus 60 minus xy plus 15y. So then after that, when I minus 40x and 40x will become 0. So the balance that I have is negative 600 minus xy plus 15y plus 680. So when you minus 680 plus when minus 680 plus wait a sec.
Boleh.
When 680 meter minus 600 will get 80 meter. So 80 minus xy plus 15y equals to 0. So this is the first equation that I did.
Okay.
Then as just now I said that 15 meter, when you divide by 2, you'll get 29 meter. So this outer line of the perimeter is 29 meter. So then what I did is x minus 15, where this is the x minus 15. When you plus by 40 minus y, you'll get 29. So when negative 15 plus 40 minus 29, it will be 4. So x minus 9 equals to 4. I brought this negative 15 and plus 40 at the right side. So the balance will be x minus y equals to 4. Then I made the x into a subject, so it will be x equals to 4 plus y. So this will be my second equation. So then you have to sub x into the first equation here. So when you sub 2 into 1,
Why you divide by 2 58 no?
so that we'll get the outer line of the perimeter. Like when this is 58 meter, and you divide by 2, you'll get only this line. So that we can find the perimeter of the whole rectangle.
Oh, you ambil yang untuk dapatkan yang atas tu saja.
Yes.
Okay.
So sub 2 into 1. So the first equation was 80 minus xy plus 15y equals to 0. So when I sub x inside, 80 minus y bracket 4 plus y, then plus 15y equals to 0. So we have to do the expansion here. So negative y times 4 is negative 4y, and negative y times y is negative y squared. So 80 minus 4y minus y squared plus 15y equals to 0. So then negative y plus 11y plus 80 equals to 0. So then when the a is always negative, you have to make it into a positive equation. So I brought this whole equation into the right side. So 0 equals to y square minus 11y minus 80. So when this is a general form, we have to put the a, b, c into the calculator. So when we do this equation in the calculator, we'll get y equals to 16 and y equals to negative 5. Why did I put ignore here at negative 5 is because there won't be any negative in length. So the answer will be y equals to 16. So when we already get this y equation, you have to sub the y into equation 2, where equation 2 is x equals to 4 plus y. So x equals to 4 plus y, and you sub the y equation here, x equals to 4 plus 16. So then we'll get the answer x equals to 20. So overall the answer would be x equals to 20, y equals to 16.
Okay, why we ignore y equals to negative 5?
Because in length, there won't be any negative there. Like length only be above 0.
Distance lah.
Ah.
Distance won't be negative. Okay. Okay, very good explanation. Cuma saya nak komen sikit dekat sini je. Okay, from the equation general form, you just put equals to 0 to the right and the general form to the left. Okay, same to factorization. Nampak tak? Hello?
Nampak cikgu.
Hello, dengar tak?
Nampak cikgu, nampak.
Okay. You put equals to 0 dekat belah kanan. Okay, that's all. Okay, ada soalan tak? Kawan-kawan lain ada nak tanya apa-apa tak? Koko nak tanya dekat dia kenapa nak kena bagi 2 juga, kenapa tak payah ambil je semua ke apa ke? Ada nak tanya dia apa-apa? Do you have any question to Rashman? Boys, kawan-kawan. Okay ke semua orang?
Yes.
Ikmal?
Very much. Faham.
You, kalau exam itu
Ah.
yang negatif kena tulis ke in exam
betul.
lah. The
Tulis
negative
kat
ni.
sini lah. Apa tak dengar soalan? Negatif ni?
Yeah, the negative need to write or not, or just ignore.
Oh, no need to write. Tak tulis pun tak apa.
Okay.
Sebab kita dah memang dah tahu kan. Kat situ distance is all about distance. So you can write and then you just tak tulis ignore pun tak apa, boleh tak ke mana-mana. Asalkan you just to find the x, you just take the 16 lah yang positif punya. Ni. Okay. Hello?
Okay.
Okay, if you don't have any question, can we go next? Ada lebih kurang 3 minit lagi, rasa sempat kot tak? Ke nak stop je lah. I think we can stop here lah. Okay, kita continue next class pukul tomorrow yeah, tomorrow Tomorrow 2 waktu, lepas tu habis. Next class lagi, we continue next chapter. We start new chapter. Pelik lah, kau nak ketak suara saya ni. Hello?
Okay, boleh.
Okay. So we need 2 more, boleh kan, Syed bagus. Okay, 2 more waktulah, 2 more times untuk this presentation and the class kita masuk chapter baru. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Terima
kasih, Go.
Sama. Jumpa esok. Wang Dik Hao, you can left now. Wang Dik Hao. Ni Datuk Datin ke? Datin ke?